Overcoming obstacles comes with several advantages. 1 asterisk. Personal growth asterisk. Overcoming obstacles can lead to personal growth by pushing individuals out of their comfort zones and helping them develop resilience, problem-solving skills, and self-confidence. 2 asterisk. Strengthens character asterisk. Facing and overcoming obstacles can strengthen an individual's character, fostering qualities such as determination, persistence, and courage. 3 asterisk. Builds resilience asterisk. Overcoming obstacles helps individuals build resilience to better handle future challenges and setbacks, making them more adaptable in the face of adversity. 4 asterisk. Achievement and success asterisk. Conquering obstacles often leads to a sense of accomplishment and boosts self-esteem. It can pave the way for achieving goals and reaching greater heights in various aspects of life. 5 asterisk. Learning experience asterisk. Every obstacle presents an opportunity to learn valuable lessons, whether it be about oneself, others, or the situation at hand. These lessons can be applied in future endeavors. 6 asterisk. Inspiration to others asterisk. Overcoming obstacles can serve as an inspiration to others facing similar challenges, encouraging them to persevere and strive for success. 7 asterisk. Asterisk enhances problem-solving skills. Asterisk asterisk. Dealing with obstacles requires creative, problem-solving skills which can be honed and improved through overcoming various challenges. 8 asterisk. Increased adaptability asterisk. Overcoming obstacles can help individuals become more adaptable and flexible in dealing with unexpected circumstances, enhancing their ability to navigate life's complexities. 9 asterisk. Asterisk self-discovery asterisk. Asterisk. Confronting obstacles allows individuals to discover their true strengths, weaknesses, and capabilities, leading to greater self-awareness and personal development. 10 asterisk. Opportunities for innovation asterisk. Overcoming obstacles often requires thinking outside the box and exploring new solutions, fostering innovation and creative thinking.